Here's a quick video to show you how to use a TENS unit to alleviate muscle pain. This came recommended by my chiropractor. I have tendonitis. This thing helps alleviate the pain. It can also be used on your lower back, your shoulders, your neck, really wherever you're having pain in your muscles. First thing you're going to want to do is take these little pads and we'll attach them to the end of the lead wires. Next, take the other end of the lead wire. We'll go ahead and put it into the device. All right, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take these pads. We're going to remove this layer here. I think I'm going to stick them where our muscle pain is. I'm going to go on this side of my elbow here. Take this one on the other side. Now that they're attached, turn the device on and you can see all the different modes that this thing has. I just like to use the first mode. When I'm ready, I'm just going to hit this plus button right here. You'll see it start to build up on this side. The higher it goes, the more intense the shock will be into the muscles. I just go until I'm comfortable. Right now I can start feeling the electric shock going into my arms in little pulses. It's really like a massage. If you're experiencing any muscle pain and would like this as a relief, check the link below. I got this device right there for you. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.